Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain to you how to change the orientation of a single page in Word, as you can see in the example shown in the screen. So in this example, I changed the page number 3 orientation to landscape while keeping the other pages on portrait. I'm going to explain everything you need to know in this video, so watch till the end. As you can see here, we have 4 different pages, and as I showed, I want to change the page number 3 to landscape while keeping the others on portrait. Now there's 2 ways to do this. The first way is to do sections and sections breaks. If you don't know what sections are or how to use them, I'm going to show you here in a second. Now usually the sections are hidden and you can't see them. To show the sections you need to go home and then click on this show hidden button. And now we can see where the page breaks are, but the section breaks are still invisible. Well, that's because we need to add one. Now we need to add sections so Word can be able to differentiate between pages when we are trying to change orientations. So for example, if I go to the end of the second page and click on Layout, Breaks, Next page. And now as you can see, we just added a new section break. Then repeat the same thing for page number 3. And now we have 3 different sections. The first section is the first page and the second page. The second section is the third page. And the third section is the fourth page. And now we can change the orientation of any pages we want, except for page 1 and 2 because they are on the same section. Now I can press on page number 3. I go to Layout, Orientation, and then I can choose the landscape option. As you can see, the orientation of page 3 is the only one that have been changed to landscape. If I didn't add any section, all pages would have turned to landscape instead. Now let me show you the second method that you can use. To do this, you need to highlight the full text in the page that you want to turn into landscape. And then I will go to Layout, and as you can see here, there is a little arrow. Press on it. Now on this page, click on the Apply to option and then choose Selected Text. After this, click on Landscape and press on Confirm or OK. And as you can see, only page 1 is now on landscape, even though they are both on the same section. And yeah, that was basically it. That's how you change one page's orientation while keeping the others the same. If this video have helped, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more helpful content like this. See you in the next tutorial.